Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So today we are going to talk about the dining room. So as most of you know, you can choose your dining, whether you want anytime dining or early dining or late dining. We normally choose anytime dining, that way we can make sure that we get to any functions that are going on, shows that are going on, trivia that's going on, but we still have time to get to dinner and not be rushed by times. One thing with the dining is normally if you're a couple, less than 4 people, you will get seated with other couples, other groups. There was one cruise we were sat at a table that there was 4 different couples. And that can be fun if you are a people person and you like meeting new people, talking about different experiences. So that can be fun if you like talking to new people, meeting new people, getting new experiences, finding out how other people enjoy cruising, things they've done, might give you tips on some of the things you might want to try. Or if you're like us, we generally like to dine by ourselves, and a lot of that is because for Chris, it is hard for him to hear the conversation going on at the table with other couples. He has mentioned before that he is a little hard of hearing, so he feels a little left out. So sometimes he has a hard time joining in on the conversation because he cannot hear what the other couples are saying, and he's trying not to be rude by telling them to speak up or doing the what thing. So generally we do like to sit by ourselves. Now you can go to the maitre d' at the dining room on the first day of the cruise, and you can request to be seated alone at your own table, and generally they will make those accommodations for you if they have the room. I've never heard anybody say that they couldn't have those accommodations made. So something to think about if you are a couple and you want to dine by yourselves, or if you enjoy the experience with other people dining with you. Now, when we have dined with other people, we have had a great time, met some great people. We still chat with some of those people when we see them, or talk to them whenever they comment on our videos and stuff like that. So we have made some great friends, but like I said, it is a little difficult for Chris, so we do generally dine by ourselves. But if you are in the dining room and you see us, please stop by and say hi. We want to meet everybody that we can and talk to as many people as we can. So I hope this video did help today. If there are any tips that you would like for us to talk about, definitely leave them in the comments below, and I will do some research and see what I can find out about those tips. We do also have another channel, High Seas Sounds, so if you're into relaxing music, a little bit of white noise, helps you sleep, we do have that channel. Check it out. Tell us what you think about it, or if there's some requests that you would like to hear, let us know, and we will definitely make that happen. So I hope you have had a great week and are enjoying your weekend, and have a great next week, and we will see you again next week. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.